Simply the best lady styling arms for the salsa left turn. You have seen it, you wish you could do it, and today we're gonna learn it together. Oh, and I don't want to forget to mention that we're gonna add a little bit of spice at the end, so stay until the end for the bonus. So we're going to start with the regular 1, 2, 3, which is just a natural looking. If you're having difficulties with this, go ahead and look at this video. Yes, so by 5, 6, 7 we do the turn. So on 5, left hand goes down and right hand goes painting the wall. Yeah, and then right hand combs your hair and left hand goes up to frame your body. Okay, I'm gonna do it just with the count one more time. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready and go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We go 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and a 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's go right into the bonus. But what do you think so far? Do you think it's the best? I think so. At least it's my favorite, but wait until you see this one, you guys, because we're gonna add a little bit of twist to make it a little bit sexier and more dynamic. So what's happening here? Let's do arms only. Well, instead of just starting with the left hand and right up, we are going to start by framing our body. Yes, only with the left, sorry. And then we're gonna frame our face and loop. And with the right hand, we're going to do exactly the same thing. Yes? So let's go ahead and do it. Ready? With the count, only arms. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Enjoyed the video, and if you did, please don't forget to show some love and support by liking and subscribing to my channel. And if you do subscribe, or when you do subscribe, please don't forget to click on the notification button so you will not miss anything. And yes, this is my favorite. What do you think? Do you agree with me, or would you like to see something else? Well, next week I will have 3 more styles for you for the left turn. So, see you then.